Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make an editor window in Unity Engine. As you can see, we have this default script. I'm going to remove everything we don't need. And since we are going to use an editor, I'm going to add the Unity editor, and instead of mono behavior, we're going to put editor window. Now, in order to create a window in the editor, we're going to call a function to draw that window. Simply, this is all what we need to create an empty window in the editor. But now we need a way to actually call this function. Using the menu item, we can actually call this function from the editor. We have to navigate to Window and Example Window. This is, as you can see, will create an empty window in our editor. Now the window name will be the same as the class name, but if we want a different name, we can simply input a string in our getWindow method. As you can see, the name has been changed. As you all saw, our window was empty. Let me show you how you can insert some element to it. We're going to use the onGUI method. And here is the label that we actually added. Now, of course, we can do more than that. I'm going to show you a simple explanation of what you can do in the editor, and you can use it to actually do anything in your project that can help you in the future. Now what I simply did here, that I declared a color as a variable so we can use, and I have created a field in our editor window to actually control the variable color and take an input from it. And then I created a button with start color font, and whenever we click that button, we're going to execute some code. In this case, I'm going to create a function to call whenever we press that button. So what I simply did here, that whenever we press this button, we're actually calling the coloring function. And what the coloring function do is go for each selected game object and go check the renderer on that game object. And if the renderer is not null, which is an actual renderer exists, change the color of the shared material. Allow me to show you. Yep, as you can see, it actually worked. And since our function is going through each game object, I can select multiple game objects and actually share the color of their material. And yep, here you go. This is the simplest yet basic stuff you can do in your editor window. I hope you enjoyed this video and would like to see you next time.